while doing some repairs on a house. The owner tells me that they've recently had the sink strainers replaced on the sink. Oh! And they wanted me to check for leaks. And I especially wonder what's up with that. This was supposedly plumber work. No 2 pipe diameters. And in Canada that would be required. What the hell is with this? Why wouldn't you use a bona fide gear clamp? But anyways. So what are your thoughts on zip ties as a method of securing drain lines? Well, leak's gone. Zip ties are gone.